Hello everyone, Storm Spotter Asa here. We just got a new tornado warning for Thomas, Sheridan, Logan, and Gove counties that expires in 40 minutes. We also have Washita, Kiowa, Comanche, and Caddo County that expires in 40 minutes. The one for Texas County expires in 40 minutes. The one for Dewey, Custer, and Blaine that expires in 24 minutes. Kansas. So, two of them for Kansas, two SVRs, those expire in 9 minutes. Oklahoma, that expires in 24 minutes. Another one for Kansas, that expires in 39 minutes. One for Oklahoma and Texas, that expires in 39 minutes. If you want more content like this, please remember to like, comment, and or subscribe. This is Storm Spotter Aces saying have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.